In order to free up RAM on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, you can go to the settings, then scroll down and go to the device care. Tap on memory, wait a couple of seconds, and now you will see the summary of apps that are running in the background. You can choose clean now in order to release some space. In addition to that, if you have live wallpapers or animated wallpapers, then of course it is recommended to switch to static images in order to free up some RAM, as animated wallpapers usually take some RAM as well. In addition to that, we can also go to the settings again. Let's go back. But this time we can go to apps, and you can try to find apps that are running in the background and we might not need them at all. So let's say I'm gonna choose Google as an example, and if you find an app that you want to not use by default, that it shouldn't be running in the background, you can simply choose to disable it over here. You can also force stop apps as well, especially those that can use lots of RAM, so those that are heavy for our device. And that's pretty much it. Of course, we also have background apps by pressing, for instance, this button here. And if you use gestures, then you want to swipe from the bottom towards the middle like that, and you want to hold your finger for like a second in order to open these background apps. And you can just close individual apps by swiping up or by choosing close all. This allows you to release some RAM as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!